Animation versus coding. Hello, I'm Chris. I'm a KMP developer, and I can't speak. My tech support. I swear to God, we had lots of complaints, and we're getting rid of that as soon as tech support can come out and turn it off. And they told me they're going to do it on Tuesday. Today we're in for a treat. We're taking a break from abusing Bob and talking about software architecture to look at this video, which I just previewed a little bit from Alan Becker. Go give him a like and subscribe. This came out like 5 or 6 days ago, and I looked at it like, oh, what is this? And yeah, let's just watch it together. I don't know what this is fully about. I scrubbed the first few seconds, but I'm gonna react to it right live with you guys. And yeah, here we go. Okay, so I guess the journey of programming when you first start out, what it feels like, what it seems like. Let's keep going. Did you go through a process like this? Because I definitely did. For sure. Hopefully you did too. Yeah, I did a lot of this stuff. I did a ton of this stuff. Way too much. Yeah, when you first encounter types, like, what the fuck was wrong? It's like, this should all work together. What? You're like, types? I guess he's using Python here. But I do with the similar stuff when I was learning BASIC when I was like, 8 or 9, something like that. Yeah, you're gonna wrestle it down now. Start to be a little bitch now. It's gonna make it do what you want. Yeah, get a handle on how this thing does. Getting a little more sophisticated as you go along. Yeah, you're in trouble now. Oh, did you ever play with Turtle? There's one that was huge when I was growing up. That was like, all the kids are gonna learn how to do programming with Turtle. I was like, okay, I learned it. It was like, this is kind of silly, but I could see how people could learn programming with Turtle. And also, that's when I became interested in the graphics. Also, it did get me like, oh, wait a second, this graphics thing is pretty cool. But I was like, I graduated from the Turtle stuff to sine and cosine and just started messing with that. And before I even knew anything about algebra, I was like 10. I was like, I realized sine is this like wave, and I also discovered just sine and cosine together gives a circle, and I was off to the races at that. And I didn't read a book or anything. I just started dinking with it. This is awesome. The music is great. Oh, you're in it now. You're in it now. You don't have to run faster than the line. You just have to run faster than the laptop. Oh, you're done now. Oh, no. Oh, at the last second. It's very dramatic. Oh, shit. It's now you're done. This must be Python. Yeah, and when you first get into the plotting stuff, after you get to the graphics, you can do all the different plotting things. Now, when I was started out, there was no. They had little libraries. Where I was like, what is this? But then you realize you just roll your own and do your own plotting and getting into doing all that stuff. That was super. That was super fun. If you haven't discovered that yet, it's like, oh yeah. Here we go. Yeah, all the libraries for all the plot libraries. Man, there's so many of them, and they're all like so. Some are like designed really well, and some are like, what is this person thinking? Pyramid of Stars. Oh, here we go. Pie game. Okay. And now we're in it. Get into the game development stuff. It's like, oh, snap. We'll be lost in here for years. Awesome. This is so great. This is exactly how you do it too. If you just start from these little primitive stuff, you start making it bigger, bigger, and then you hit up your limitations about what your architecture patterns, and you have to like think about it at a different level. It's awesome. Got to do that to multiply. There we go. Close that button. That's so great. Uh-oh. You're done now, buddy. Of course. You have to have a nuclear explosion in it. Hell yeah. Oh, that's so great. It's a desolate wasteland. What have you done, sir? That laptop looks pretty flat. It's totally toasted up. Yeah, this thing will get away from you if you don't look out. Oh, he's got a prompt. No, that's not what it understands. Come on now. There we go. That's what it understands. He's gonna boot up an AI model now. Bring it back from the dead. He tested an LLM. It gives a good reason it comes alive. That's awesome, man. That's exactly what's going on. Oh, now it has the ability to interact. Hello. Hello, yellow. Yellow. Oh, that's great. Hell yeah. Oh no, he's playing it. Oh.
Hey guys, it's Alan. I hope you enjoyed Animation versus Coding. It's always a fun challenge to express a new topic without speaking. If you like learning things without listening to someone talk to you about it, I think you'll like a learning platform called Brilliant. Brilliant.
All right, there's the commercial. All right, that was pretty fun. That was a fun thing to see. I'll let you watch the rest of that after the commercial. If you want to go to look at the commercial, that was great. I was really impressed. I was not expected they would have nuclear weapons. The coding in the coding stuff, but it makes sense. All right, give me a like, subscribe, and we'll bring more nonsense coming up.